Little weekend out here in Belgium. Low-key sad because anyone who knows me knows that I love Belgian waffles, and I've been here for maybe 3 days and have not had one. I know, faux pas, I know. Okay. When you walk all the way to a store to get a waffle and it's closed because it's a Saturday and we're in the religious area. Dang it. It's gonna be a pretty short video. I apologize. I've been sick the past like 3 days. I've been just chilling in the hostel, talking to people in my room and like laying down watching Netflix, honestly. Sounds kind of lame, but that's how I needed to spend the last 3 or 4 days. But today is the day for checking out what the city has to offer. I actually did walk around the past couple days. Yesterday I hung out at this really cool coffee shop called Café Capitaine. It's off of Rue du Midi, which is kind of in the center of Belgium, center of Brussels. So that was pretty cool yesterday. Spent like 5 hours doing homework and studying there. Today's gonna be a day for sightseeing. So today I will be seeing the Atomium. I think that's how you say it. Something big in Brussels. Got my waffle, and I'm here. I made it to this thing. This trip's been pretty cool, to be honest. Tomorrow I will be going to Luxembourg on a tour. It's like a 2 countries in 1 day tour, so that should be pretty awesome. Excited to see that.